中国经济是一片大海，经历了无数次狂风骤雨，大海依旧在那儿。
After 14 days of quarantine, I'm finally at CIIE. Oh, I'm really just pleased to get in here, so it'll be great. It's good to see you. My number one purpose here really is to try and improve our sales, and if that is a success, then it was worth every bit of it.
So the CIIE is one of the biggest fairs for industrial products in China and worldwide. So for us, it's a must to be here. Our customers are here, the existing ones and potential ones. We're opening up for foreign companies. This will definitely be helpful for us. And also pushing forward high-tech development and so on.
Import Expo'sida bo'lib turibmiz. Bu yil koronavirus pandemiyasi tufayli ko'plab davlatlarning iqtisodiyoti va tijorati qiyinchilikka uchramoqda. Bu Expo belbog' va yo'l mamlakatlari uchun ancha ko'p foydalar olib keldi. Chunki aynan shu mamlakatlar bu Expo'da
到第二年到今年，对展商的各种便利性肯定提高了很多。进博会它是有很强的一个针对性嘛，就是针对还没有在中国拓展业务的一些外资企业，所以说当时毫不犹豫的就直接来到进博会。这栋楼的本身的造型也很圆润嘛，就是财源滚滚嘛，对吧？
虽然目前全球新冠肺炎疫情仍在持续蔓延，但第3届进博会各方合作意向热度不减，按1年计累计意向成交726.2亿美元，比上届增长2.1%。
CIIE is a fantastic platform. It's an open, collaborative platform where we can come together with other companies to find partnership opportunities.
This is injecting even more confidence and trust. The fact that we can keep investing here and expanding here and contributing to the development of the market.
It's a great opportunity to say to the world, we're back and in business.
进博展会是6天，但是进博生意呢是365天。我们的展商和采购商天天在一起做生意。
如果经济发展好比在大海航行，那合作就是船帆。
Let's embark on towards CIIE, so on towards the future.
经过3年发展，进博会让展品变商品，让展商变投资商，交流创意和理念，连通中国和世界，成为国际采购、投资促进、人文交流、开放合作的4大平台，成为全球共享的国际公共产品。